Alright, hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining again. Today I'm going to go back to using my blues and a little bit of gold and, hopefully it comes out pretty good. Today I'm actually going to wreck them at the end of it since I'd previously made one, and I don't know, I just thought I'd wreck it. I've done it with a ring pour, haven't done it with a bloom, so here we are for that. Today's colors are Windsor Blue, and then the rest of them are TLP colors. It's going to be in the order of Taffy, Sequins, Mermaid, and then Harvest Gold. My cell activator today is black. I normally mix that up 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint, and the black I use is Amsterdam's Oxide Black. As a treat, somebody wanted to see how I blow out the cell activator, so I will be moving my camera and at least showing that part at least twice in this video. This is pretty much what you see, or what you don't see, because I cut out my head being in the way. And normally at this stage, if you have any air bubbles, you'd want to pop those before you blow it out, or if you see any more after you blow it out, then you want to pop those then as well. I've tried doing this with, I don't know, blow dryer and all the other fun stuff, and it just never works out for me. But I don't use a blow dryer in my everyday life, so I guess it's a little tricky, right? So again, if you have like a puddle of your cell activator, you want to just slightly blow on it until you see it give way, and hopefully like a cell will pop up. You just let it sit for a second. If you don't get a cell, you can try blowing on it again. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Normally I would just spread this paint out with my finger, but I'm trying to keep my hands as clean as possible so I can move my camera again in the next one. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the blue and the gold. I really enjoy this gold. This gold's awesome. Right now I'm trying to get that one corner that has a lot of the black cell activator on it. I'm just trying to get that off for the most part. And then after that, I'm gonna mess it up. After I'd done some of these, it was kind of like, ugh, maybe I should have not wrecked them and just left them since they looked good in my opinion. But since I'd already wrecked one beforehand, it was a little late for that. So, yeah. I never know what kind of squiggly to do. I'm not really a doodler, so. So, yeah, this is hard for me. It looked great the way it was, but yeah. So, that's a challenge. Um, Really, I'm going to try to stick with the same color order on all of these. Normally with my spinner, I'll paint something, and a couple days later I'll just peel off the paint on the spinner. Um, or if you can leave it, you actually could probably use it as paint skin if you wanted to. A lot of people do stuff with that. I haven't ventured out to that as current, but I'll get there one day. Um, we'll be bringing you down for a closer look on this one to blow it out. And the blowing part on the cell activator, it really is the hardest part, at least for me. Swiping is so much easier. Doesn't matter if it's a piece of plastic, a business card, or even like I don't even know what the tool's called, but yeah, putty knife thing. Um, but yeah, if anybody needs any tips or has any questions, just leave a comment, reach out. So again, this is what I was talking about. Like, if you have any air bubbles, this is normally what I do that you don't see, and I just sit there and I look at it in different lighting to pop them. So blow this out, and then I'll spin it out, and yeah. So I'm putting on some music, and I'll come back later on when I get you down for a closer look. All right. All right, so I'm back. Um, yeah, so probably the hardest part in this video for me was actually wrecking them. Um, you know, you would hate to mess up something or potentially mess up something if it didn't work out, but sometimes you just gotta take the plunge. The one thing I will say is a very positive thing about wrecking it. So like these areas where the cells didn't get stretched out over and you just see the paint, I can go in there and make some design, bling it up a little bit. I did abuse that, so that is a positive. I can definitely see that being a positive for this particular case. Um, but I'll get you down for a closer look here in just a minute. Um, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Also, let me know if you like me moving my camera where you can actually see the cell activator getting blown out and everything. Let me know that too. I mean, it's something new, as a request that somebody wanted to see. So if you have any requests, leave a comment or get in touch with me. We'll see what we can do. So here's a close-up. I don't know which one's my favorite, but that one, I don't know. That one's pretty good. I like that one a lot. But again, thank you all for watching, and take care, everybody.